I don't want nobody else with you.
What's up, you guys? I am so sorry I have been MIA for a little minute, but today I am back with another video, and this video is going to be a Valentine's Day glam look. You know what I'm saying? It's a look, it's a concept, it's a motherfucking look. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah. So if you guys like this look, make sure that you watch this video. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. And not only do you do that, but you share it amongst your friends, your families, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Vine, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Snapchat. You know, whatever the kids are doing nowadays, make sure that you share it, you comment, you like, you subscribe, you leave your feedback. And yeah, so if you're ready to get into this video, don't do nothing, because it's about to play in a few seconds. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
West Side.